your Eyewitness weather forecast.
And a good Tuesday evening to everybody. I'm Meteorologist Jordan Reed, tracking some cooler temperatures for our Wednesday. And there could even be a little bit of frost as we head through not only Wednesday night, but Thursday night as well. Let's take a look at the temperatures from today. First of all, to the north and west, it was warmer. We had temperatures into the lower and middle 60s there. Down toward the southeast, it was more like the middle and upper 50s, where we had a lot more clouds as well as some breezy conditions out there. And those clouds are rather pesky today to get rid of. And we have a few of them out there right now, but definitely not as many as there were earlier. 50 degrees right now in downtown Utica with a calm wind. It feels fairly comfortable with that dew point of 49. As far as those temperatures across the area right now, kind of the opposite of the way it was most of the day, where it's now warmer down toward the south and east and cooler up toward the northwest, like Loudville at 48, Old Forge 47, Hamilton 46, and down in Johnstown right now it's 54. That's kind of the warm spot of our area. Temperatures over the next couple of days going to remain below average through the next 3 days, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. More like the low to mid, maybe upper 50s. If we're lucky, it's going to be cool and rather breezy, but at least there will be plenty of sunshine. That's kind of the plus side. Temperatures do come up over the weekend. Sunday looks like the warmest day of the next few. And that's when we'll introduce some rain chances before things turn a little bit cooler to start next week, at least seasonably so. As far as Tropical Storm Lorenzo, still a 40-mile-an-hour tropical storm, so just hanging on to the cusp of that tropical storm status, moving to the northwest at 12 miles an hour. Still not posing a threat to the U.S. East Coast or anywhere near our area. This is what's left of the weekend nor'easter that caused a lot of havoc up into New England, as well as the mid-Atlantic coast. Back toward the west, though, we do have a cold front. Not a lot of moisture associated with it other than what's coming through Michigan right now, but by the time it heads towards us, you'll just notice that wind shift, as well as the cooler temperatures, as well as a few clouds tonight into tomorrow morning, but behind that, high pressure builds in, our fair weather friend, and that looks to stick with us until the beginning of the weekend. So until we get there, the radar will remain free and clear of precipitation, and there's those rain chances that I mentioned coming in Saturday night and especially on Sunday afternoon. But in the meantime, we'll have plenty of sunshine before that. Overnight tonight, we'll have those clouds thanks to that cold front. Don't expect much, if any, precipitation from it. Things remain dry as we head through our Wednesday. We'll see a northerly breeze that could be quite gusty, 10 to 15 miles an hour, although there could be gusts at times 20 to 30 miles an hour throughout the day, and that continues into tomorrow night. So while there could be some patchy frost, I don't expect it to be widespread. In spite of the fact that we'll have clear skies, we'll have breezy conditions out there. We could have a repeat performance Thursday night into Friday morning, but you'll definitely need the heat on over the next 2 nights as well before things start to warm up and we finally get some much needed rain in here. Thomas, back over to you.
Can't wait for